I have finally decided to stop creating videos about the Unlinked application, and in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you guys why I took that decision. Hello there, welcome to the YouTube channel, and if you are watching my videos for the very first time, I talk about TVs, smart TVs, Android TVs, Fire Stick, and tutorials on these devices. So if you have any of these devices, in any of these streaming devices, my channel is a go-to for tutorials concerning that. And if this is your first time, I'll highly recommend you like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So the topic of this video is, or the concern in this video is that I'm finally decided to stop creating videos about the Unlinked application, and by the end of this video I'll explain why, and also I'll be sharing with you guys what you should expect from my YouTube channel henceforth. But for starters, I just want to share with you guys this YouTube channel. I didn't really start this like something serious. I just started as part-time, but along the way I realized that I was literally helping people around the world navigate their Android TVs, smart TVs, and so on. And this has helped me grow so far to the point where I have more than 13,500 subscribers, and this is something that I am not going to take for granted. And because of that, I decided to stop creating videos on Unlinked. If you look at the top two videos on my screen right now, these are videos I created in the last 3 months, and this video challenge will dare my channel to be taken down. So if you realize, I created this video 3 months ago. It's about the Unlinked application, and that video was removed by YouTube for violating YouTube policies. I created another video 3 weeks ago, this particular one, and also it was also removed from my YouTube channel, and I received a strike. So I realized that videos about the Unlinked application are becoming risky on my channel. So I don't want to risk my channel that have grown for the past 2 years and reach 13,500 subscribers. I don't just want to risk it with Unlinked videos, and that's why, as you can see here, these are the terms that are violated. And because of this, I'm not posted for the last 3 weeks because of this strike. So I will not be taking any risks on my channel, and I don't want my channel to be taken down. That's why I've come to the final decision that I won't be creating any videos about the Unlinked application any longer. I know lots of you in my 13,500 subscribers, I know lots of you came to my channel because of the Unlinked application or because of a video about the Unlinked application, and I really understand your concern, but you agree with me that it is better for me not to risk my channel creating videos that might be risky or might be violating YouTube policies. So that's why I decided that henceforth I won't be creating any videos any longer. So I just want to take a time and thank you all who have subscribed to my channel. Having 13,500 subscribers on YouTube is not something easy, and it's not something that I take for granted. I really appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the subscribes, all the views. When I took out the time today to look at my audience analytics, and I realized that a huge percentage of my viewers are from the United States, India, and United Kingdom, and I don't take this lightly. I really appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me on this channel. I realize also that most of you who have viewed my videos have not subscribed, and it really baffles me that a higher percentage of my viewers have not subscribed, but I have 13,500 subscribers. Just imagine how many subscribers I will have if you that is watching this video right now can click on that subscribe button. So please make sure to click on that subscribe button. Now my YouTube channel is still going to be a go-to platform for many videos on tutorials on streaming devices like Fire Stick, Google TV, Android TV boxes, and so on. What you can always do for yourself, what I would recommend is that anytime you are looking for something that concerns Android TV, just go over to the search box on my YouTube channel and type in your search query, and I believe you are going to find a video that is going to help you. Like for instance, I have above 1,400 videos on this channel, and these videos are talking about smart TVs, Android TVs, Fire Stick, Google TV, and so on. And I'm still going to consistently keep creating videos every weekday. So I believe that anytime you are searching for a video, just come over to the channel. On the search button, type in your search query. You can type in a particular keyword like Google TV or Fire Stick or Android TV. You are going to see tons of videos that I've created on that particular topic. As you can see, I have 1,400 different videos. That means that I bet you are going to get a video about a topic that you are searching for. Search for search queries. Let's try, for instance, you can try, okay, Google TV or Fire Stick. Let's try Google TV. You're going to see more than 100 videos that I've created on Google TV alone. So if you try Fire Stick or Android TV or Hisense TV, you're going to see more than 50 videos I've created on these particular topics alone. So my channel is still going to have lots of videos concerning other streaming devices, but henceforth I want to take time. I really want to become an expert in a particular niche, and that niche is going to be Google TV. So as you can see on my screen here, here's my Google TV. I'm using the on TV 4K. So henceforth, I've decided that a bulk of my video or majority of my videos are going to be centered around the Google TV streaming device. So if you own a Google TV, it could be Chromecast, it could be on TV, it could be Xiaomi, it could be any TV that runs on the Google TV, on the Google TV software. I'm going to be creating videos about it. Now I'm going to create videos about lots of varieties: how to install applications, how to sideload apps, lots of things that you might want to know about on your Google TV, how to watch movies, how to stream movies, how to watch live events, and so on. So I'm going to focus more on videos about Google TV henceforth. And as I said, I'm going to be avoiding the Unlinked application because I do not want to do anything that's going to risk my channel being taken down, and I believe you also will understand with me. Anyway, I just really want to emphasize and thank you all for the support so far on this channel. I wouldn't be here without you. I wouldn't be a good creator today without you, and I really want to prioritize quality over quantity. So I'm going to be creating a lot of quality videos out on the Google TV device, and as I said, whatever Google TV device you have, this is going to work for you. As you can see, I still have Unlinked. I still use it to get certain applications that I want, but I won't be creating any video about it any longer because I do not want to violate any YouTube policies, and I want my channel to just provide quality and nothing that is going to risk it. So please, if you've not subscribed so far, do us a favor, subscribe, especially if you have a Google TV. Fire TV now has lots of limitations on its devices. That's why I'll highly recommend you to get a Google TV. It can be any Google TV, it can be the Chromecast, it can be the on TV box, it can be the Google TV streamer, any Google TV device. Google TV is like the combination of Fire TV and Android TV together. So for me at the moment, Google TV is the best streamer. If you have any other one, let me know. But I believe Google TV is going to be one of the dominant streaming devices in the next 3 years. That's why I'll highly recommend you to get a Google TV device. And most of my videos are going to be about Google TV. I'll still create videos on other devices, but Google TV is going to take the majority. So that's it about this video. I just wanted to pass this information. And if you are in support, let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share so that you encourage me.